saying it's okay, it's alright. When you fall down, you can rise again.
Bros, waiting. That's the actor. I did the movie now. I did the production. You did the movie? Relax, life here. You say your body to the hot. No, you get some kind of thing you do. Don't say make you slap. So don't say make you fall. Now you your body the hot.
No, I'll fall. Which one?
You never ready to join us.
No, be ready to fall. I'll fall now.
You fall.
I'll fall now.
You fall. You are good.
Not before you love, Abby.
Out. You never ready thing.
I ready now, bro.
I'll talk to them. I'll talk to them. Relax, relax. Don't come Abuja. Money, sir. Sir, this is the new boy I was telling you. You mean Jonathan? Welcome. Sir, pardon.
You are going to slap him.
He will slap me. It's a movie. It's a movie. Just come on movie.
It's alright.
Just take it easy.
It's a movie. In this scene, he will slap you and you will faint.
Keep quiet. It's okay. You are making noise. Director is speaking. You don't want to be a star.
I've never even worked to Merida. I say I should be a star.
If you like, don't be 7 up. That's your
If you want to become a star, you want to become like RMD, like Jim Ike, Desmodelius, Nusa Rex, Junior Pope. Everyone, you have to start from here.
Those are our director.
Okay,
It's alright.
you will slap him and you will faint.
I bet Chief let me cook my friends.
It's okay. You are just too, I don't know. You slap him, he will faint, then you hold him so that you know the ground is rough. Okay. DOP, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Excuse me. DPO. Sorry, DPO. My name is not DPO. DOP. DPO. What's the difference?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's like wait, excuse me.
I will hold you. Don't worry. I will hold you.
Silent on my background. Artist on set. Camera rolling. And action.
Come. You say if me slap you, you know the game with you want to do a bit. You must. What is it doing? What? Wait. Come. What was that? It was emergency. Sorry.
You are on set and you are receiving calls.
I'm sorry, sir. Be punished for that. Okay, let's repeat it, director. I'll give you that slap again. Bro, what's the problem? Jesus! Hey! Jesus! Jesus! Come. Bro, because
where did you get this guy from?
Bring this.
One good bear.
Oh no. Yeah. Then you. I should know that I'm a baller, yeah. I should know that I'm a big boy, yeah. I should know that I'm yeah. See, I got the SOV for my baby girl, but so nice like a training cell, fella. Bad girl make you hold me well, fella. Bad girl make you hold me well, I saw her back in the days, fine day, baby.
I'ma get my love, my petty, but no. Mama, get back to me, but no. Baby, man, I'll get it. I'ma get mine, I'll get it. I'ma get some my dog, get it. Why show my dog, get it? Oh, baby, man, I'll get it. I'ma get mine, I'll get it. I'ma get some my dog, get it. Why show my dog, get it? Hey, want my money, want my money. for my baby, oh, for mama. Mama no, oh, for mama. Mama no la, oh, for mama. Hey, oh my mommy, oh, for mama. For my baby, oh, for mama. Mama no, oh, for mama. Mama no, oh, for mama.
Yeah, very good friend. So I got a talk just like this. You never chop this morning. This morning I never chop. I just sit down for that place. Now me be the first person to enter that car. Please check. But me first come before you. Don't tell me they remove work since. Yeah. Okay, no worry. You never chop. No, so I go for anything. Just give you. Anything, bros. Anything. But right, still, the team manager. Bring on now. Any rice? I love that. Hey, bring on. Okay, just wait, eh? My friend, I just enter kitchen just now. I just discover say all those women will come. They don't carry the main rice come on. But the rest we did now just white rice. We get stew like let's say yesterday's stew. This stew still good to warm and just makes sense. If you see her, you like her. Okay, bring her, bros. You ready, huh? Oh, bring this thing. Let me chop. Yeah. I just enter kitchen just now. Go check. The only thing we did now is say white rice we do, but they no come meat farm. But like that kind of yesterday's stew we did. I don't know you reason. It go let you use body stew. You see, still good, sha. I don't know whether it will taste bad for you. Stew we did. Okay, bring am. You manager. I'll manage am. Bring am. Go fit for you. Just break this thing. They come. Hey, my friend. I be sitting at rice. Why open the cooler? Nah, but they said you want me my wife make this first dinner. They said. But the soup is a new one. Those want me there. Well, excuse me. Are you sure of the date? Are you sure it's day before yesterday night or yesterday night or last year ever? Day before yesterday, but something next day inside. But now next something. The soup is a new one. Boga soup. Wow. Do bring her. You want? I'm used to last week ever. Bring her. Not the one with new ever. Bring the day for. You want it? Bros, bring her. You go fit on your belly. How many days ever? Less than 3 days. Maybe 3 days. Something like that. Bring her. Okay, you. Man, I don't know. Yeah, man, I tell you the truth, eh? This morning, don't like the work. Me don't tire. I never chop. The only food when they say that they reserve, maybe they don't keep us hungry, but me, the food not there. I also might have to tell you, you all know, say, I be trying for you, but food not there. You make no food. If you go and come back, maybe those people wait eat, they chop the meat, they're not chop the rice, you feel me for 6 kilos of them. Few help you, just package them back. You'll feel the, there's no food. You mean food not a garbage? Hey, not this square now. You obviously go. You come back after everything. You see food. Hi. So food not a. Not a. Me go say something for you. Just food. And then go come back.
It's your boy, Young on the mic. I have no doubt this will hit 1,000 miles. I'm a version upon the mind. Listen, it was a new dawn on a new place. I feel in my eye to coordinate. I set my eyes on her on the sideways. She's staring at me now on the wrong way. I tried to talk to her, she said get lost. We met again now on the next day. She do hesitate.
I said move.
You are not ashamed. Come up 15 years you cannot even pay.
What?
Doctor.
It's my
Leave me alone.
Is it not my right to hold money? Now I want to hold you like
in this Buhari regime.
Jesus!
When everywhere I start, you are only 15 naira.
Let me enter this. Now that you are dragging me now, they said police is your friend. How are you not my friend?
Police is not a friend to criminal and debtors. Yeah, move.
It does not. Don't enjoy my third leg. If you draw me, I draw you.
Is that a knockout? Come on.
Apply this thing.
Cover me. Police is afraid. Police is afraid.
Police is not friends to criminal.
Call the station. Call the station. Oh, my wife.
What? Funke!
I'll come back. Come here. What are you doing? Come here, my friend.
What are you doing there? Hey, I want to check if I can ease myself there.
Ease yourself. Oh, you think you can just come to my fence, then offload anything you want to offload?
It's your small I want to post.
Can you read?
Yeah, I can read that.
You can read?
Yeah.
Read what we have on this place.
Do not urinate. I'm sorry, but we are all men.
Oh, you know.
It's just small.
No, I don't tolerate that. I'm a civilized man. I don't tolerate this. You want to do so. Okay? Now, there's somewhere you can urinate. It's free of charge. Just take this road. By the time you get to that lane, you will see two roads. One going to the right, one going to the left. Now take the one going to the left. Take the one going to the left. When you get to the junction, no, come back up. I'm not done. When you get to that junction, you will see a tricycle.
Okay.
And a motorcycle. Okay. Don't enter the motorcycle. Don't enter the motorcycle. I'm not done. Enter the tricycle. When you enter the tricycle, about 150 or 200 or so. Hey! Listen. Yeah. That place I'm talking about now.
Okay.
That man is too long. It's too far. Follow me. See that junction you're looking at?
Okay, that junction.
Exactly. Now, when you get to that junction, you will see two roads. One going to the right, one going to the left. Now, take the one going to the left. Board a tricycle there.
What the hell was that for?
Escopetenia. As big as you are, you could not hold your urine. You are a big fool. A big one.
Finish him. You are the bigger fool. How will you be describing here, describing follow there fool? Can you save up to you are the biggest fool.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that funny video. I still remember your boy DJ Tom FEC, aka Papa Ojo 1. Abi? Thank you. He's DJ Tom FEC. Where am Papa Ojo? Abi? Exactly. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification. Thank you all. We love you. Zay. I've talked my talk. Abi? Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, we upload new videos every Monday. Please help us grow. We love you all. Thank you so much. See.